Oi, 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 this is challenging. Hi, my name is Gwyn, and I'm the sex fairy godmother. And today I want to talk to you about libido. Merriam-Webster says it's instinctual psychic energy that in psychoanalytic theory is derived from primitive biological urges, etc., etc. Libido is what we call our sex drive. First thing to say about libido, no matter what your level of libido, it's all good. I get this question so often. I want to have sex 3 times a week. Is that normal? I want to masturbate 6 times a day. Is that normal? I only am interested in sex once a month. Is that normal? Yes. It's all normal. It's all natural. Everybody is different. Everybody has their own rhythms, and it's all good. Whatever it is, it's good. I promise. The key is to find somebody who works with you as far as your libido goes, so there's not stressors there. And if there isn't, and you have lots of other reasons that you want to be together, and there are lots and lots of couples who feel that way, then you just have to figure out some way to make it work. And there are lots of ways of doing that. That's another video, though. So, libido. What I hear most about libido is what happens when it goes wrong, right? When all of a sudden you're not interested anymore. It happens to all of us. It really, really does. So before we get to how we can help that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about libido. There are 2 major aspects of a libido. There's the mental component and the physical component, right? So you can be emotionally and mentally turned on, right? Say you're watching some saucy movie, or that chick down the street, or that guy who's suddenly come to fix your dishes. Pling. That could be mentally arousing. Woohoo! And then there's the physical component. A lot of times, for a lot of us, mostly women, not all women and not all the time. That's the funny thing about women. We're different every day, all day. Some men too, though, have to be physically turned on before they are mentally turned on. And so this is a real kick in the pants, right? Because your honey goes and to be like, hey baby, let's get it on, or however it is that you do that, and you're like, ooh, get off of me, I don't want that. Sometimes, if you just give it a minute, if the kissing and you're like, okay, let's see what happens, sometimes that'll kick in to actually being mentally aroused, and then you can get it on. So the trick with that is be sure that you talk with your partner in advance and repeatedly about how this could work but might not, so that if things are moving in the direction and you're just like, yeah, no, this isn't happening today, they don't get all huffy and stomp off, and then there's a big fight, and then that's no fun. Because the thing about libido is when we start losing it, we start stressing out about the fact that we're losing it, and then this starts this whole cycle because you're getting on yourself about not having the libido, and then you're stressing more, and then you have less libido, and that's never, ever, 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 ever going to work. So you need to have a clear understanding yourself of what it is that excites you, be able to communicate that, and then be able to communicate, yeah, no, not tonight, maybe tomorrow. And be okay with that. Everybody needs to be okay with that. And all of that goes back to communication. Another thing about libido. The first thing to go in any situation, if you're stressed, if your body is starting to get sick, if stuff at work is weird, if the kids are being a pain in your butt, the first thing to go is libido. Medications, a lot of times the libido goes on that too. So you want to check your medications, you want to do a body scan, see if you're well, you want to look around your life and see if there's something stressing you out, and then start thinking about why your libido's going. But the biggest trick, figure out how to take care of yourself. This is the most important thing, really. Especially for women, we are not taught that we need to take care of ourselves, but we do. So I am giving you permission. I have my magic wand. Shout out to Pink Kitty in Irvine. If you are there, go check out their store. It's lovely. Pling. Go take care of yourself. Really. Treat yourself more than just take care of yourself. Do something decadent that you would only do if someone told you you needed to, or it was Christmas or your birthday. Go get chocolate cake. Go soak in a tub. Take a walk with your bestie. Go for a run. Treat yourself to a museum day. Whatever it is, do something that fills your spirit and your soul, and you will find your libido is coming back. It might not be immediate, it might not be fast, and it might take more than one time. But if you don't do this for you, nobody else will. So really, I'm talking to you. Go take care of yourself. Treat yourself to something wonderful, and then come back and your honey will appreciate it. And so will you, because, sex is fun. My name is Gwyn. I'm the sex story godmother. You can find me at earthlydesire.com and in other places. Check me out, share this video, let me know what you do to treat yourself. Let me know what you might like me to talk about. And, I don't know, have a great day.